Historical method comprises the techniques and guidelines by which historians use primary sources and other evidence, including the evidence of archaeology, to research and then to write histories in the form of accounts of the past. The question of the nature, and even the possibility, of a sound historical method is raised in the philosophy of history as a question of epistemology. The study of historical method, and of different ways of writing history is known as historiography. Source criticism or information evaluation is the process of evaluating the qualities of an information source, such as its validity, reliability, and relevance to the subject under investigation. Gilbert J. Garrigan divides source criticism into 6 inquiries. 1. When was a source, written or unwritten, produced? Date. Where was it produced? Localization. By whom was it produced? Authorship. From what pre-existing material was it produced? Analysis. In what original form was it produced? Integrity. What is the evidential value of its contents? Credibility. The first 4 are known as higher criticism, the 5th lower criticism, and, together, external criticism. The 6th and final inquiry about a source is called internal criticism. Together, this inquiry is known as source criticism. R.J. Schaeffer on external criticism. It sometimes is said that its function is negative, merely saving us from using false evidence, whereas internal criticism has the positive function of telling us how to use authenticated evidence. 2. Noting that few documents are accepted as completely reliable, Louis Gottschalk sets down the general rule: for each particular of a document, the process of establishing credibility should be separately undertaken regardless of the general credibility of the author. An author's trustworthiness in the main may establish a background probability for the consideration of each statement, but each piece of evidence extracted must be weighed individually,